Hi, this is Jennifer at the New Home Experts, and today I am out in the Northwest in the master plan of Skye Hills, which is at 215 and Ann. I am in the Lennar community. It is all single story. That is Avery Pointe and Avery Landing. We're going to be focusing on Avery Pointe today, which is these three smaller single story floor plans. It's hard to say. So let's get started right now. So if this is your first time to our channel and you want to know everything that's happening in new homes out here in Las Vegas, then go ahead and subscribe below and hit that notification bell so you can be in the know every time we drop a new video about new homes happening here in Las Vegas. We do get calls, texts, and emails every day from people just like you looking to make a move to Las Vegas, and we would love to help you make your dream of living in Las Vegas a reality. Okay, let's get started. We're gonna look at the Evan floor plan first, which is just a little over 2,400 square feet. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. And you can see, I mean, for 2,400 square feet, this feels really big and really spacious. And if you're looking for something as far as you want a large single story, out here in the Northwest, you do have some great prices. They do have homes available for June and August, priced just under $700,000. So really great opportunity to have a fully upgraded home that includes your lot premium, everything, for that just about $700,000 price point. So let's come on inside and take a look. I mean, huge living space here, again, for 2,400 square feet. Lennar is an everything is included builder. Sorry, that was louder than I anticipated. Is an everything is included builder. So you're gonna have a couple choices of cabinets and backsplashes and countertops. However, if you're looking at something that is gonna be completed in obviously the next 90 days, then it's gonna be something where all of your finishes are going to be selected for you by the builder designer. This is beautiful though. Really nice. I love this upgraded cabinetry here. Nothing in here, but you have all of your appliances, stainless steel GE appliances. And this is just a really nice, spacious, great room area, great for entertaining. And then of course you've got this nice big slider to your backyard. And what's nice is, again, this is an all single story community. So there are three floor plans for the Pointe, which is what we're gonna look at today. And then they have a larger set of floor plans for the Avery Landing, and those approach actually 4,000 square feet. So those are really large. Here we're just gonna take a peek in the primary bedroom, which is over on this side. So good sized primary bedroom. And here they have carpet, but here you have the large tile. And wow, they have a really good sized closet in here. I could definitely make use of this, but I am a big closet person. And I really like the way that they set up the additional 2 bedrooms in this floor plan. So what's nice is the primary is really on one side of the home, which I think is nice for privacy. You do have your laundry room over here. I love Lennar because it just says optional. They didn't put a sink in here, but I mean, you do have a really nice amount of countertop space. And then the way they did the additional 2 bedrooms in here, I do like. So here you have You do have access to a powder room here, so there would be your powder room. And then these would be the 2 bedrooms, but I like this. So here's your, obviously they're using this as an office, but this is essentially a bedroom, has a good size walk-in closet. And then this is kind of neat. So you have this bedroom has access to this sink. And then you go through here. Here is your full bath area and toilet area. And then you have the secondary bedroom, again, they have access to this sink. They have their own walk-in closet. And then you have here a whole other bedroom. So 3 bedrooms total, the primary and 2 secondary bedrooms. Plus, of course, you have the half bath. And then, hold your horses, you gotta see this. So this is their RV garage, which is like, I mean, it's insane in here. So come out here. I don't know how high this is, and I don't even know how to express how high this is. Except if I go like this, I mean, my God, this is absolutely huge. However, if you do have an RV or want to use this as an exercise, I'm probably echoing terribly right now, or want an exercise space, or I don't know, but this is like in a really amazing space for the RV garage, and great if you really do have an RV that you want to park out here. Okay, so again, we are in Avery Pointe by Lennar in the Northwest. We're at 215 and Ann. Now we're going to take a look at the next 2 floor plans. Hi, welcome to our second model tour, and this is the Pioneer floor plan. This is a really great floor plan. It's just over 2,400 square feet, 2,469. This has 4 bedrooms and has a next-gen suite. I have sold this floor plan before because they were building these out in Lake Las Vegas. So beautiful floor plan, and oh my gosh, that's the that's the lock. Hold on. Okay, I was like, what is that noise? We're on a self-guided tour, so that is the lock in place, which is great. So we are able to tour on our own. Anyway, so I love this floor plan. It really makes a lot of sense, especially having the next gen space as well. Same here, you've got a really nice open kitchen space. This is a really pretty backsplash that they did in here. So essentially they're showing you what their dark cabinetry selection would look like. They do have this floor plan available that would be closing this summer for $676,000, and that would include all of your upgrades. So that's a really great price if you're looking for something single story with that next gen suite out here in the beautiful Northwest. So just take a look out here because this is really pretty. I'm sure obviously that this is an upgrade. They do have some nice outdoor space here. We did try to get outside, but realized quickly that we could not. But it is a nice yard, and of course this is the builder off something aftermarket. Most of the time you're going to get not a finished backyard, but a lovely dirt space to call your own, which would be a great place and a great opportunity to put in a pool. Your primary bedroom is over here, and this is really nicely done. It's a nice large space for your primary bedroom. Has a tub and shower combo here, and a nice good sized closet. This is fiberglass. So fiberglass inserts for your tub and shower here. And then let me show you that next gen suite, because it really is a nice option if you do have somebody living at home. I do have a client actually that was able to figure it out, and he keeps his as an actual rental property, which is pretty neat. So it really lives like its own separate apartment. This one, you have your own refrigerator, microwave, you have a sink obviously here. So it's a nice little living area. You also have your own private entry. So it's a side entry, and it can go directly into the garage as well. So it's really nice. You definitely have options with this, you know, as far as how you want to utilize it. But it can operate on its own really as a separate apartment. And then you have your bathroom, your closet here. And why that really works is this has its own stackable washer and dryer. So someone could be on this side of the house and really just be here. They have their own refrigerator. My client actually, I think, put in a small cooktop, but that was after close of escrow. So now we'll kind of come back out here. But again, just a really nice space if that's something that you would want to have in your home, as far as just, it really, oh look, here even says next gen. Endless possibilities. That's almost what I just said, but maybe better said. Okay, so now we're gonna go up to the front of the home, and you have 2 bedrooms here that would share a bath. So here you have bedroom 1 or bedroom 2 in a tennis theme. There is a closet, that's my purse in there. So this one has a full bath that can be shared between these 2 bedrooms. This is of course done as an office. So this is the Pioneer floor plan, just over 2,400 square feet, great pricing. You can purchase something like this for under $700,000 right now from Lennar. They are also offering some great incentives for those interested in moving in this summer. And that would include a 4.5% interest rate. Yes, you heard me, 4.5% on anything that would be closing over the summer. For more details on that, you can visit our blog. We will put some additional details for that special incentive from Lennar. We have one more home to go, so let's go take a look. Hello, and welcome to the 3rd model here at Avery Pointe. So we're looking today at the smaller series out here. The larger series is the Avery Landing. This is the Antoinette floor plan. It's 2,668 square feet, 3 bedroom, 2.5 bath. So it is the largest floor plan that we are going to look at today. They do have one that would be available for a summer move-in, priced with all of your upgrades and everything, of course, at $702,000. And that, of course, would include that great rate buy down incentive as well. You can probably see here, they obviously moving some stuff or doing something, because there's chairs, and I'm not sure exactly what they're doing over here, but obviously they're in the middle of some sort of renovation while we are here visiting the model. So I guess we'll just sort of overlook that and really get the gist of the actual space. I really like this. They did the lighter quartz countertop, the white cabinetry. This is a really pretty backsplash that they did here. And I like the floors. This feels like engineered wood. So I really like the way that's done. And then here you've got a nice, good sized pantry. Lots of space. And here, I would think, personally, that this would be more like a dining space versus whatever they have going on here. But obviously they have these decorator books, so maybe there's something that I'm missing. But to me, this seems much more like this would obviously be like a dining space, your great room, and maybe perhaps over here they're doing something. This actually I think would make a nice little study maybe over here. Here you get to see what a pool would look like. I have a feeling that we're not going to be able to get out there, so we're not even going to try this afternoon. But it is a cool looking pool, actually. I kind of like it. It's an oval. But your primary bedroom is over here. And this is also just really nice and spacious, good sized primary bedroom. And your primary bath. I like this because it has the separate sinks with good amount of counter space, tub and shower here. And oh wow, this is a big closet. I like this. That's a really big closet. I mean, like if you're over there, I'm over here. It's really far away. I like this. So this is just really, I mean, you're a little over 2,600 square feet. And this is priced with all of your upgrades that they would put in the home for $702,000. And then we will go over on this side where you have the additional 2 bedrooms. This home also comes with a 3-car garage, I should mention. Here are your optional washer and dryer. Note the sticker says optional, so we're going to assume it's optional. And then here you have the 2 additional bedrooms. And Peter was quick to point out that this is a Jack and Jill bath. A little bit more like a standard Jack and Jill bath versus that other one that we saw. Here you have a tub and shower, so it really is a full bath. And a good size bedroom here, and this has a walk-in closet. I like that. So these are great single-story floor plans, anywhere from over 2,400 to almost 2,700 square feet. And again, these are the smaller of what's available out here. They do have the landings, which do run anywhere from about 3,500 to almost 4,000 square feet. This one again priced at $702,000. The HOA here, which would include Skye Hills plus Avery Landing, is going to be $100 a month, and that would be both together. And that would include the fact that it will be gated, and there is a small park within the gated community. And great location. You're 215 and Ann. You're about 12 minutes or so from downtown Summerlin, taking that 215 Beltway. So really easy access to a lot of things that as far as would be close by. But you do get a little bit more for your money out here in the Northwest versus some of the other locations that we look at. For more information about the Avery Landing homes by Lennar out here in Skye Hills, please visit those details in our blog at thenewhomeexperts.com. Thank you again so much for watching our video today. We absolutely appreciate you spending time with us. Please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.